A wedding day is full of chaos. There are overly excited guests, cake-drunk kids running around, and family members with brimming emotions. It is beautiful, but it is also a bit of a circus, right? But when it is engagement day, it is smooth sailing. You would absolutely love that day. It is a chance for everyone to breathe, enjoy the moment, and for you, the photographer, to really shine. This is your time to focus, to bring out your best photography skills. But even with all this calm, you still need some prep to nail those engagement photo poses and shots. So here are my tips to help you capture those perfect shots. Get to know the couple. First things first, get to know the couple. Understand their vibe, their personalities and their expectations. Are they playful and fun? Or more serious and romantic? What kind of photos do they want? To perfectly tell their love story through your lens, you have to know who they are at their core. But it is not just about them. It is equally important to share a bit about yourself. Have a proper conversation before you start snapping away. Let them know your shooting style. Are you flexible and open to ideas, or do you have a more structured, pre-scripted approach? This helps set the right expectations and make sure everyone is on the same page. Another tip, ask about their story. How did they meet? What do they love to do together? Use this information to plan your shots. Maybe they love coffee shops or hiking. Adding these elements for a personal touch to the photos. Do not forget to discuss any insecurities they might have. Knowing these beforehand can make the session smoother and the couple more relaxed. Camera settings. After that, adjust your camera settings. These are the backbone of capturing those stunning engagement photos. First up, manual mode. You have to have complete control over your shots. While automatic settings might work in some situations, manual mode is your best friend for achieving professional results. It allows you to adjust each setting to perfection. Speaking of adjustments, using a wide aperture, somewhere between f1.8 and f2. 8 helps create a beautiful bokeh effect. This means the background will be softly blurred and it will make your subjects pop. This will help when you want romantic, dreamy photos that really focus on the couple. After that, make sure to set a fast enough shutter speed to avoid a motion blur. Generally, 1/125th or faster works well for still portraits. If the couple is moving, like walking or dancing, you might need to go even faster to freeze the motion effectively. When it comes to ISO, keep it as low as possible to avoid noise in your photos. However, be prepared to increase it in low light conditions. Modern cameras handle higher ISO pretty well, but always go for the lowest setting that gives you a clear shot. And don't forget about white balance. Adjust it according to the lighting conditions for true colours. Whether you are shooting in natural light, indoors, or during the golden hour, getting the white balance right will keep your colours vibrant and accurate. If you master these settings, you will elevate your skills in how to take engagement photos yourself, making your work look professional and polished. Be a director. When it comes to engagement photos, forget the look at me and smile moments. Instead, think like a director and shoot stories. Your job is to capture the essence of the couple's relationship, not just their faces. Start by giving clear, gentle directions to your couple. Instead of saying, smile at the camera, try something more engaging like whisper something sweet in her ear or walk hand in hand and look at each other. These prompts create natural, candid moments that tell a story. You can also use props and settings to reflect the couple's personalities and interests. Are they book lovers? Set up a cosy reading nook. Do they love flowers? Capture them in a garden. These creative engagement photo ideas will add depth and meaning to your photos. Also, pay attention to body language and interactions. Encourage playful actions like twirling, piggyback rides or dancing. These movements make the couple forget about the camera and focus on each other, which results in more genuine and heartfelt images. Another tip is to use movement. Ask the couple to walk, run, or even slow dance. Movement adds a dynamic element to your photos and helps capture the couple in a more natural and relaxed state. Dress up for the location. Now, let's talk fashion, because what you wear matters. As the photographer, you should guide your couple on how to dress for the location, because outfits are part of the story. If you are shooting in a lush green park, tell them to go for light, flowy outfits. For example, her in a breezy sundress and him in a crisp, casual shirt. It complements the natural setting and keeps the focus on their love story. Now, if you are downtown with all those urban vibes, suggest something a bit more edgy. Maybe some leather jackets. They will give the vibe of a romantic movie set in the city. And please remind them to avoid clashing colours and overly busy patterns. You don't want them looking like they raided a clown's wardrobe. Simple, coordinated colours are the way to go. Plus, neutral tones and soft pastels are always a win. Keep it light, keep it fun. And remember, engagement photo outfits should enhance the location, not distract from it. Chase the perfect lighting. After everything is set, you have to chase that perfect light. You have probably heard about the golden hour. It is that sweet time just after sunrise and right before sunset when the light is soft and dreamy, perfect for those romantic vibes. But finding the right spot with good lighting at your location is key too. Here is a simple trick. Hold out your hand and make a picture frame with your fingers. Move around and look through the frame to see how the light hits different spots. This helps you find the best place where the light flatters your couple. Pay attention to where the light is coming from. If the sun is behind the couple, you get a gorgeous glowing effect. Light from the side adds cool shadows and depth. And if the light is right in front, it's all about even. Nice lighting on their faces. By using these tricks, you will nail the lighting and make your engagement photos pop with that perfect glow. Switch up the angles. Don't be afraid to get creative with your angles. Switching up the angles can add a whole new dimension to your engagement photos. Instead of just shooting from eye level, try getting down low or climbing up high. Crouch down to capture the couple against the sky or the landscape, giving a dramatic, romantic feel. Move around the couple too. Shoot from the side, from behind, and from up close. This variety will keep the photos interesting and will also help you tell different parts of their story. For example, if you want a cute candid, shoot from above as they look up at you laughing, or for a more intimate shot, getting close from the side as they share a quiet moment. Angles can make a big difference in how your photos feel. They can make the couple look more dynamic and the setting more impressive. So mix it up and have fun experimenting. You will find that these little tweaks can lead to some truly standout shots. Bring on the PDA. When photographing couples, remember they are already in love, so it is totally fine to encourage some public displays of affection. Get them to hold hands, share a laugh, or look into each other's eyes. These small actions can make a big difference in your photos. Suggest they kiss if they are comfortable with it, of course. Those moments always look natural and sweet. Have them walk together arm in arm, or wrap their arms around each other for that extra romantic feel. Capture them in close, intimate poses, like leaning in for a whisper or resting heads together. Spontaneous moments are golden. This is why you should encourage playful interactions like tickling or surprise hugs. These candid shots often turn out to be the most memorable. The key is to capture their chemistry and those genuine moments of connection. And in the end, don't forget the little things. The little things. Don't forget the little things, because they make a big difference. Capture close-ups of the engagement ring, which is the symbol of their commitment. A shot of the ring on her finger or in a creative setting can be a beautiful detail. Also, don't forget the classic knee-down proposal pose. even if it is a reenactment, it is a moment they will cherish. Get those intimate shots of them holding hands, their fingers intertwined, or a gentle touch on the cheek. Details like their shoes, especially if they are dressed up, or a special piece of jewellery add a personal touch to the photos. These small elements tell a part of their story and add depth to your shoot. If you just focus on the little things, you will create a complete, heartfelt collection of engagement photos that the couple will fall in love with. Do you have any other tips for capturing the perfect engagement? Share with me in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.